Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Israel Education. So please subscribe my channel and get electrical related video. Today we will discuss a important topics of basic electrical engineering, that the related of the frequency. So if any doubt, please comment in my comment sections. So today question is, why should be the frequency 50 Hz 60 Hz, not the other like 42 35 85 90 and anything. Why should we maintain the frequency constant? If so, why it is the 50 Hz or 60 Hz may maintain? So at first we should know what is the frequency. Frequency means the 1 second, the how much complete cycle is covered. So here we see the time period and here see the wavelength. So the time period means the one frequency complete how many time or how much time, or the one frequency length is the here lambda is the wavelength, and the amplitude means the maximum displacement of the wave. So here see the amplitude of the sine wave. So the frequency equal to 1 by time or 1 by time period. That is the relation between the frequency and the time period. So here the types of the periodic waveform, we know that sine wave or the complex wave or the triangular wave or the square wave. So here first we see in the sine wave. We know the electricity means the sine wave or the cos wave, or it is maybe the sinusoidal waveform, or the complex waveform, not the sine wave or not the cos wave. Triangular waveform, it's like the triangle or it looks like the triangle, and the square waveform, it looks like the square. So this type of waveform we may see. So here the next diagram we see the sinusoidal waveform. It may be the sine wave or cos wave. Here we see the two waveforms, sine wave and cos wave. So India standard frequency is 50 Hz, means the 1 second it complete the 15 cycle, or the 15 cycle complete in one second. So that's mean the Indian standard frequency 50 Hz, or the other state is maybe 60 or the other. So it can be maintained 50 or 60 Hz because if we product the in India, it may be the 50 or 60 Hz. So that's why we maintain the 50 or 60 Hz frequency. But if we create or if we production the 42 35 Hz, so we can maintain the 42 or 35. That's why we generate the 50 Hz or 60 Hz machinery or tools in India, and other states it may be 60 Hz. It is maintained due to the standardization. If we maintain other standard, it may be generated. So thanks for watching my video.